are at Christian Brothers Automotive, a brand new facility that can fix all your cars. You're going to learn more about them in just a minute. But in the short term, this is Mike and his wife Heather and their boys. Now I don't know all their names, so tell me your name real quick. Landon? Landon. Hi, Landon. John Paul. Hi. Bolton. And it is truly a family event. So we are here about to cut the ribbon, and when we're done, we're going to go inside and you'll get a little first-hand tour. All right, guys, are you ready? Woo! 3, 2, 1. Mike's going to take us for a tour. Come on, Mike. Let's do it. The rest of you join us for some. Mike, tell us about what's going on with you guys here at Christian Brothers.
Well, we're excited to finally be open. We opened on Monday of this week. Our hours of operation are Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. We service all makes and models, everything from oil changes to tires, to major engine work and air conditioning alike. So pretty much all makes, all models, anything you need. We'd love to be workable to serve you in the greater Mount Dora community here, especially in the Golden Triangle area.
Show us around. Tell us a little bit. Go ahead.
So this is our customer intake area. So customers can obviously get receipted into our systems. We have a nice waiting area for our guests to wait as long as they want to wait in their vehicles. We also offer a complimentary shuttle too, so if you don't want to wait here at the shop, those customers do not, we'll shuttle them to their work, to their home, wherever they'd like to go. We have some nice snacks and treats for everybody, generally every day, and water and coffee and clean restrooms. That doesn't happen at all.
A little bit about this amazing place.
Yeah, so this is where the magic happens here inside our shop. We have a lovely 10-bay shop with about 6,000 square feet under roof, and so 10 full bays, 9 two-post lifts, and we have what they call an in-ground alignment rack, so the lower vehicles can be lifted on the alignment rack. So we're excited to be able to offer alignments on all vehicles. We're eventually going to have air conditioning in this shop. That's on order right now. The next 30 or 45 days we'll have air conditioning for the betterment of our employees. Keeping it cooler. It is the summertime. And of course we do work on the air conditioning system for cars. That's a lot of the work that we're getting these days, of course. Okay. So we're just excited to be able to serve the community. We can do everything under the sun.
Okay, so now tell everybody where they can find you on the internet.
cbac.com/Mount Dora.
Okay guys, Christian Brothers Automotive. On 441, you need to go in the driveway by
Star Credit Union.
By Star Credit Union, because if you don't come in this driveway, you're going to get lost. So make sure you turn at the Star Credit Union and you'll get right back here. It's an amazing place. Heather, Mike, thanks so much for joining us at the Chamber. We're really happy to have you as part of our partnership and family. And you guys can't wait to get here because you won't be sorry. Have a great day. See you next time.